Hello children, welcome to Narayana live classes amazing assignment. Today's our amazing assignment is on lesson 3 living and surviving, that is from your Sadhana workbook page number 47. Here we have a practice of diagram children. Okay, come on, let's go into our assignment. Look at the diagram of a fish and practice in the space provided. Here they have given a picture, a diagram of a fish, and they have provided some empty space here to draw the picture. Don't get dense children, it is so easy, and we are going to draw the fish in stepwise. We are using some steps to make the drawing so easy. So are you very excited to do with me? Come on, let's do. So first we are going to draw two curves, and after that we are going to enlarge it with some other parts, and we are going to finish it with some drawings which are going to do in the inner part of the fish. Okay, let's do. First we are going to draw two curves. Draw with me children. One and two curves here. Okay, second step we are going to add some more parts. We are going to add two triangles at the bottom, like this, and one more. Here, and we are going to draw two rectangles on the top, like this. We are going to draw a small circle here, and one more line inside, and one more like a half moon. We are going to shade it like this. Isn't it very easy? Now we are going to put a small line here, draw a small line and a small line again, and we are going to draw an M inside. Okay, so now we have finished till here, and we are going to the bottom part of the fish. So it's so easy. We are going to just extend it like this. Yes, from here we are going to put like this. Isn't it so easy children? Yes. So here we are going to draw two curves, and here one more curve. So we have finished the outline of the fish now. So what is remaining? We have to fill the fish with some lines and some curves inside. Yes. So draw with me. So we are drawing straight lines inside this part. So after finishing this, we are going to label the parts also. So it is so easy children. So we are drawing lines inside this. I think you people are enjoying this, right? Isn't it fun drawing lines? So now we are going for the inner part, this part. So we are going to draw some curves, waves inside. See? Like this. I think you people are really enjoying drawing. So curves. Yes, here it is a beautiful fish here. So we are going to label the parts now. We have 5 parts here: eye, mouth, gills, fin, tail fin. So what are the parts which are labeled here? We have eyes. So I just want to take one more color to mark this. These are the eyes of a fish. Okay. And here we have the mouth. And these are called fin. Okay, we have two fins here children. These two are called the lower fins, and these two are called the upper fins of a fish. And here inside So these are called gills. Okay, and this part is called the tail fin. It's called the tail fin. Okay children, the eyes, the mouth, the fin, the gills and the tail fin of the fish. Have you enjoyed this drawing? Hope you enjoyed this. This is what for today. Meet you in the next assignment. Bye bye. Have a nice day.